What's up, Salmon Nation? Hey, we are at Palmer Woods today, and we're going to try to give you the short and sweet of Palmer Woods and what you should be aware of about the trail and what you should look forward to. So here we go. We're going to try to connect with Fiddlehead. On Fiddlehead right now. Beach drops one way. It's kind of so we just climbed up Waxwing Hub, and then this is going to be Enlightener. The new section. Climbed up it does look really fun.